Good morning, Judge King.
My video is it working? There it is. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Judge.
Okay, I guess we can get started. First up, I have Ms. Burke.
Just can we pass this for just one moment? I need to pull over.
Okay. Mr. Simon?
Yes, good morning, Judge.
Good morning, sir. What can I do for you?
We're scheduled for a competency hearing on Mr. Nelson, except that he's never been referred. I mean, he was referred. I'm sorry, he's never been evaluated.
Hey, Ben. Okay, let me call. Do I have an ATA here on that?
Mr. Fedoric is specially assigned, but he told me that Ms. Drain would be standing in for him.
And that is correct,
Okay.
Your Honor.
All right.
Judge, I'm outside your courtroom. It's a little bit noisy here. May I be admitted into the courtroom? Then I can turn off the Zoom.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mr. Nelson, are you driving? Are you driving, sir?
No, sir.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Calling case number, oh, sorry. Calling case number 2206-0470-01. People of the state of Michigan versus Richard Nelson. Defendant is charged in count 1, operating license suspended, revoked, denied, causing death. Count 2, operating license suspended, revoked, denied, causing serious injury. Count 3, moving violation causing death. Count 4, moving violation causing serious impairment of body function. Defendant has a felony commission with the Northfield Code Adult Advisory and a habitual offender second offense notice.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the People, P number 60249. I'm standing in for the Attorney of Record, APA Mark Fedoruk.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Simon, P 35596 on behalf of Mr. Nelson.
Mr. Nelson, unmute yourself and tell us your name.
Sean Nelson.
All right. Mr. Simon?
Your Honor, this court referred Mr. Nelson for a competency evaluation, I believe probably about 9 days ago. And to date, he has not yet been evaluated by the Center for Forensic Psychiatry. So I guess we need to be pushed out. I'm not sure whether we need another referral. I haven't heard from him, and I don't know where he is in the line for such an evaluation.
All right. Well, I will adjourn the competency hearing to August 2nd, 2024 at 8:30.
Thank you. Your Honor, the court may recall that Mr. Nelson has a side gig as a rapper. He has previously performed at a number of venues, Little Caesars Arena among them. And on previous occasions, the court has allowed him to perform. However, at the initial date set for preliminary examination, Mr. Nelson failed to appear. I believe that he had been out for several days, stressed out about the examination and slept through. We had arranged to have him turn himself in the next morning. However, he was picked up later that afternoon. He is back out on bond, but he is confined at home except he's allowed to go to work, which is a regular, basically 9-to-5 job. We're asking if the court would consider removing the curfew restriction, not the tether. We understand the need for a tether. We're just asking if he could have some more time out of the house. So
To do what?
To perform as a rep. Only solely within the state. He has opportunities outside the state. We're not asking for that. We're asking only to perform venues locally.
What happened the last time?
Well, the last time was the competency report. The time before that was the preliminary examination, which he failed to appear. He was asleep, and I was able to have somebody wake him up, but he was arrested before he could turn himself in. He was arrested that very afternoon, even though we planned to return to court next morning.
Mr. Drain, you have any?
Your Honor, the notes from Mr. Fedoruk just indicated that that he is being evaluated for mental illness, and I would object to any curfew, as defendant did fail to appear at the exam. Witnesses were present, they were ready to go, and there was never a good reason given for his failure to appear, and ultimately he had to be picked up. He did not turn himself in. So I do think that there are significant issues there. So I'm going to object to any change in curfew at this time.
And Your Honor, it has been, as I said, about 90 days or so since the referral, and I don't believe there have been any tether violations.
Well, let's handle it this way. I'm going to continue the bond, but if he's able to establish that he has some work that he's going to do, and as long as that's verified, the tether code, I don't have any problem with it. So let's say that he has a concert that he's going to open up for. If he's able to establish that, verify that with the tethering agency, I don't have a problem.
Shall I prepare an order to that?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, in addition, Mr. Fedoruk requested that this court consider ordering the defendant to enroll in a mental health treatment program while awaiting a competency evaluation, since it may be some time.
Well, Your Honor, we don't know what that result is gonna be. And
Well,
been evaluated, so
you brought the issue up indicating that you thought that there was some mental health issues. So why not address those issues?
very well, Judge. I'll defer to discretion of the court.
All right. So the court is going to order that the defendant seek mental health treatment in the interim until he's seen by the forensic center. I'll leave it up to him to follow through on that, but he's going to have to establish that he has enrolled in the program by his next court date.
Very well, Your Honor. I will include that in the order.
Okay, appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, you ready now, Ms. Moss?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm sorry, the power went out, so I had to turn my laptop back on. May I have the opportunity to speak with Mr. Mitchell in the breakout room?
Okay, Joy.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Burton's claim.
Okay. Ms. Burton,
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
good morning. You're here on Lawrence?
I am. I think it's Ms. Drain, that's your case?
Yes.
Okay. Is he there?
Yes, he's here.
Oh, okay. Judge,
That's him.
Calling case number 2405-691301. People of the state of Michigan versus Alexander Lawrence. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with the intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2, domestic violence.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
and yes, good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Delphia Burton appearing on behalf of the defendant who's in the courtroom,
Alexander Lawrence.
Mr. Lawrence.
Mr. Lawrence, tell us your
State your name for the record.
Alexander Jeremy Lawrence. What's your pleasure, Ms. Burton?
All right, I know we're gonna be setting it for a preliminary exam, but I'm actually parking and I'll be in the building in a minute. If we can just pass it briefly, and then I can confirm that with him.
I asked if you were ready.
Well, you kept going, they kept going, they called it before I was able to say that. So I'll be in a minute.
Mr. Magnuson, good morning, sir. Have a seat for a second.
Morning, Judge. How you doing? I have a gentleman by the name of Joshim Ross, R-O-S-S. Is he in the Wayne County Jail?
No, he's here online.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Calling case number 2405-691601. People of the state of Michigan versus Joshim Ross. Defendant is charged in counts 1 and 2, criminal sexual conduct, 4th degree. Count 3, assault or assault and battery. Defendant has a habitual offender second offense notice.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kristen Cartwright on behalf of the people, P82411. And Judge, I'm trying to turn on my video, but I can't seem to get it to work.
And Mark Magidson, P number 25581, on behalf of Joshim Ross. Mr. Ross, could you state your name for the record?
Tell us your name, Mr. Ross.
Joshim Ross.
What's your pleasure, Mr. Magnuson?
Judge, at this point, I would request that we schedule this for a preliminary examination.
The court will continue to plead not guilty and set this matter for preliminary exam. Out is August 8th at
August,
I'm sorry. May 8th. May 8th at 11 o'clock.
Let me just check, Judge.
Okay, I'm sorry. May 8th at 11:45.
That works for the people.
Yeah, I think that'll work because I'm in your court at 11 o'clock on the Travis Martin exam.
All right, May 8th at 11:45, and bottom we continue.
Very well. Mr. Ross? Mr. Ross?
Yes. Yes.
Can you give me your phone number? So I need to talk to you right now in the next few minutes.
313 367 8598
85
8598 8598. And then I have another number.
8598.
85. Yes.
8598. Yes.
Then I have another. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. And is Ms. Drain, if you're able to hear this, could you send me that discovery on that other case, Travis Martin?
Travis Martin, yes, you don't have that one already? Okay.
No, we had requested it a couple times, so if you don't mind.
I will send it again, yeah.
Thank you very
Travis
much.
Martin. Yep, I will send it
Sorry.
right now, thank you.
Sorry, Judge. Okay, we're good.
Mrs.
morning.
Rush?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning.
I'm here on Angel King. She did sign on to Zoom, but I think she's having some issues with her phone. I am in communication with her, so I'd ask to waive her presence.
Let me call the case.
case number 2405692701. People of the state of Michigan versus Angel King. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, count 2, domestic violence.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service by Summers Brush, P number 85828, appearing on behalf of Angel King. I would ask to waive her presence today. I am in communication with her.
Court await the defendant's presence. What's your pleasure?
Your Honor, I'd ask to set this for an in-person preliminary examination.
Court will continue to plead of not guilty and set this matter for preliminary examination on May 8th at 12:15.
That works, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. Why don't we continue? Thank you. Mr. Humphries.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor.
What can I do for you?
I'm here. I got a call for a spot assignment on a Speight, Speight.
Mercedes Speight.
Speight,
Okay.
yeah.
All right. Great. Speight.
Case number 2405666801 for state of Michigan versus Mercedes Speight. Defendant charged in count 1, weapons carrying concealed. Count 2, domestic violence.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. James Humphries, spot appointed on behalf of the defendant, P38930.
All right. And are you waiving your client's appearance for purposes of this hearing, Mr. Humphries?
Yeah, we can, Your Honor.
The court will waive the defendant's presence. What's your pleasure?
At this time, Your Honor, I'd ask the court to set it for preliminary examination, and that Ms. Drain be kind enough to forward me any and all discovery in the matter.
I will do that.
Ms. Drain, do you recall when the companion case is set forth?
Thought it was for Monday, the 6th, but I can check right now.
Your Honor, just so the court knows, I'm not available from tomorrow until the 16th of May.
Are you gonna be out of town or something?
Yes, sir, I am.
Maybe you should have taken this appointment.
I mean, I can give it back if the court is not inclined to assign it after. I mean, again, it was a spot assignment, so.
And Your Honor, I'm just to let you know, I'm not objecting to this case being assigned on a different day, as the complainant on this case is Mr. Chavez Smith. And I believe the other case, the defendant is Chavez Smith and Ms. Spite is the complainant. So we don't need to have both on the same day.
I understand.
But just my input.
Given that you're gonna be on vacation, Mr. Humphries, are you gonna be prepared if the court was to accept this matter for exam on the 17th?
The 17th, that's the Friday?
Yes, sir.
That's fine, Your Honor.
All right. Is Ms. Spite in custody?
I don't know. Your records are better than mine.
I don't think that she is. The last time that I saw her, she was on Zoom.
Okay. Court will continue to plead not guilty and set this matter for preliminary examination on May 17th at 9 o'clock. Will be continued.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Moss.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm ready.
Ready on Mitchell?
I am.
Okay, case number 2405-692401 for State of Michigan versus Ruben Mitchell. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, count 2, domestic violence.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Vanessa Moss, P63901, representing Mr. Mitchell, who appears here via Zoom.
Tell us your name for the record, Mr. Mitchell.
Ruben Mitchell.
What's your pleasure, Ms. Moss?
Your Honor, I've had the opportunity to speak with my client. We'd like to set this matter for an in-person preliminary examination.
Court will continue to plead not guilty and set this matter for preliminary exam on I can do May 8th at 12:30.
May 8th, 12:30 works, Your Honor.
May 8th at 12:30. Will be continued.
Your Honor, can I address the issue of bond?
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm asking that my client be, that the court consider at least a tether. My client has never, he's had some criminal history, but it was retail fraud, nothing that involved violence. He does live on Parkside in the city of Detroit. He works at Bridgewater Interiors and Productions. He's worked there for a year and a half. He is responsible for his 3-year-old son, of which he supports by way of child support. So, Your Honor, I'm asking that my client be released on a tether.
What's his current bond?
$100,000.
He made somebody mad. Ms. Drain?
Your Honor, if you could give me just a minute, I'm trying to get some information here. Your Honor, the charges are felonious assault and domestic violence. And there may be a higher cash bond because the incident is alleged to have occurred in a vehicle where the defendant, there was an argument, the defendant then grabbed a knife. He was driving the vehicle and threatened the complainant with the knife, and then had an accident. Then the defendant got out of the car, went over to the passenger side where the complainant was seated, and continued to threaten her with the knife. He did not stab her with the knife. I don't believe that he touched her with the knife. However, it appears that both complainant and defendant had to go to emergency, and I believe that the complainant's daughter was also in the vehicle, and the complainant sustained a broken right femur bone. So I believe that is the reason for that's the reason for the high bond. So at this time, Your Honor, I'd ask for a DSU report.
The bond is set, sounds relatively excessive. If it's set at 100,000 cash sure. I'll reduce the bond to 100,000, 10%. With a GPS tether, no contact with the complaining witness, place of employment, or the child. And will also refer to pretrial services for bond record.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Judge King.
Yes, sir.
So that's all I have for you on this floor.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it. Have a good day.
To you and your staff, have a great day.
Bergen, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Recalling case number 2405-691301, people of the state of Michigan versus Alexander Lawrence. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with intent to do great bodily harm less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2, domestic violence.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
And again, good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Delphia Burton appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Lawrence. My P number is 47688. Mr. Lawrence, would you state your name for the record, please?
Alexander Jeremy Lawrence.
Your Honor, we would like to have this matter set for a preliminary examination and also address the issue.
This house May 8th at 9:30.
Are we able to do a different day?
Sorry,
Are we able to do it a different day?
it doesn't work.
Most we have not able.
May 10th at 9:15.
Yes, that's right.
May 10th at 9:15. Esteban.
Here, of course, the court sees that he's on bond with the tether. We're asking for some flexibility with the tether conditions right now. He's pretty much under house arrest. Just being allowed to come to court. He'd like to go to work. Unfortunately, he doesn't have set hours. It varies. He works for the exotic zoo. He put on these different pet shows throughout the state of Michigan. He said he's been doing that for about 2 years. So he is a resident of Detroit. Since this incident, he's been residing with his godfather on Rosemont Street. He was at the previous location with his wife for about 4 years, so he does have some stability. Denies any mental health problems, denies any substance abuse. With respect to prior record, he says he has 2014 misdemeanor offense, DUI.
Yes, sir.
But he's not currently on probation overall. So he would just be like the opportunity to go to work. Modify the tether.
Works at the exotic zoo.
It's called exotic.
Never heard of that.
Where's that located?
Well, it's down in Belleville, but he do shows at the Detroit Public School, go around with kids, only chickens, horses, different schools.
What do you do?
Basically,
What do you do?
I work with the ponies and the horses, and I help them out with the chickens and setting up and everything else. And he has snakes, kangaroo.
Interesting.
We go to Grand Rapids, Ohio. We do a lot of
They
libraries.
say you go to DPS as well?
Yes, we do a lot of DPS, east side, west side. And the problem was, I talked to him last night, I didn't want to flip the name, what I do, with the situation I'm in, because I don't want nothing to happen with this business with Detroit Public Schools, right?
Ms. Drain?
Your Honor, I am not objecting to a modification of his tether hours to allow him to work.
All right. You may propose order to that effect.
Yes, I will. Okay, thank you.
Mr. Engel?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Schuyler Engel, and I'm appearing for Randall Buck. It's set for a probable cause conference.
Okay, let me call
Mr. Buck's in custody.
Calling case number 2405-691701 for the state of Michigan versus Randall Buck. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with intent to do great bodily harm less than murder by strangulation. Count 2, weapons, firearm, possession by a prohibited person. Count 3 and 4. Weapons, felony firearms, second offense notices. Count 5, domestic violence aggravated. Defendant has a habitual offender fourth offense notice.
appearances for the record, please. You're on mute, Ms. Drain.
I apologize. Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Schuyler Engel on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Buck, who I don't see, perhaps he's physically present before the court?
No, he's not, sir. Do you want to
Okay.
waive his, do you want the court to get in touch with him?
No, I can waive. I asked the court to waive his appearance, and I inquire whether or not it's appropriate at this time to ask for a breakout room with the prosecutor if she has time.
For the waive the defendant's presence. Mr. Grant, you want to talk to him now?
I'm sure.
Thank you, Judge.
Go ahead, John.
Thank you.
Morning, how you doing? it was taking me so long, you wrote the book.
Well, you know, you write out of order, you know. Sorry.
Monday through Saturday?
Yes, we do birthday parties, we do your church events. Everything. I wish I would have brought a card or something to show you everything that it is. They have an online website too.
Exotic Zoo?
Okay.
I have to remember that.
I was trying to see if I could put up some pictures or something.
Okay. Are we done? I think we are. Oh, that's right. Are we ready on the vote?
Yes, Your Honor.
We're back on the record on case 24056911701 versus Randall Lamar Buck. Appearances, please.
Shiloh Ringo on behalf of the defendant.
You're on mute again, Ms. Drain.
Sorry, and good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
What's your pleasure, counsel?
Thank you for the recess, Your Honor. Having spoken to the prosecutor, I'm asking that Mr. Buck be afforded his examination within the 21 days prescribed by statute. I understand that the court sets that date and time.
Yes, sir. The court will continue to plead not guilty and set this matter for preliminary examination. Now, you say Mr. Buck is in custody, correct?
That's correct, and I don't anticipate him leaving custody either. He's on a $200,000 cash-only bond, and that's intentional that he not be able to make it.
All right, the court will continue to plead not guilty and set this matter for preliminary examination on May 8th at 11:15.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Bond will be continued.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now we're done.
Everyone have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.
That concludes the docket for today. Hope to see you tomorrow, same bad station, same bad time. Have a good day, folks.
sign off on these.
Hold on, yeah, all right.
Good, how about yourself?
Good, good. What's up, Mr. Jones?
How you doing, yeah? All right, how's it going? All right. Right. kind of vote.
Yes, you. When they were talking today, I was trying to remember what it was in my case. The attorney, when he asked his client for his phone number. Just because I'm so new at doing court work, do I put that on? I write it because I can always take it out, but is that on the record?
It actually was on there.
No, I wrote it.
Yeah.
Okay, I just want to make sure with those kind of things. I've been writing it.
It's probably not the best course of action for him to put his client's phone number
Yeah.
out there, especially since we're broadcasting on YouTube.
Yeah. That's why I wanted to ask today, because a lot of them do that. I noticed, and so it's been on my mind that I just remembered what, just remembered that I didn't need to ask you. Okay. I always put everything in, just, I can always take it out.
Yeah,
But
I think it's appropriate.
it's, yeah, okay. Very good. Yeah, I always type everything until someone says off the record, but that's just the situation, right?
Yeah.
Unsure of. Alrighty, thank you. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, I did that.
You too, thank you. Thank you. Hi, this is question. So we have if I send you the minutes, okay, I send it. Is that sufficient enough to give you here? This is it. But do you actually need an actual written? So I said the minutes too. Also, so yeah. keep him there for his treatment, but they want him to come to court. So. Forensics and, okay, I'll do that. All right. All right. Fine.
Thank you.
Judge King. Okay. Judge King. Judge King. Switch court. That's the purposes of 2-4. Let me check. Yes, 96524. Okay.